Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Hawthorne Life Resident App is and how it's positioned. According to official App Store descriptions, Hawthorne Life is a resident-focused app designed to help tenants manage apartment-related tasks from a mobile device. It is built as a companion to Hawthorne Residential Partners' resident portal, allowing users to handle everyday housing activities in one place. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official listings, the app allows users to make rent payments, including one-time payments and recurring automatic payments to avoid late fees. It also includes maintenance request tools, where residents can submit service issues, attach photos or voice notes, and track progress directly in the app. According to official descriptions, the app features a community bulletin board where residents can interact and stay updated with announcements. The platform is designed to simplify apartment living by centralizing tasks like payments, service requests, and communication into one interface. Access to the app depends on whether a user lives in a participating Hawthorne-managed community, which is clearly stated in official descriptions. Some features and functionality may vary depending on the specific property or community configuration, and this is not confirmed for every user. This app may be useful for residents who want a simple way to manage rent, maintenance, and community updates in one place. For users interested in handling apartment-related tasks through a mobile interface, this could be an option. However, the overall experience and available features depend on property setup and system integration, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.